Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, and this is the second day here in Taiwan. And
We are here now in the
flower farm. So ayan si nanay. Second day namin. So nag North Coast kami yesterday. Ngayon dito naman kami sa Taichung area. Flower farm. Yung taong ko sa yan. Video muna kita. Maglibot-libot ka muna dyan. Mag-enjoy ka. Masarap naman pala yung hangin niya, oh. Mahangin.
White, yellow. Ganda naman.
Saan? Punta ka dun, ah.
Wala nang laman itong iba. Oh, ganda oh. Puro may bulaklak na.